Hello everyone, my name is Dragon. One story happened to me. Before watching this video, I ask you, no, I beg you, to send this video to your friends who are doing shop online on Instagram or selling something on Instagram, doing freelance, working with PayPal or anything like that. Because this video will be really useful and I want to bring awareness to people. The story of scam happened to me. And now I want to share my story with you. I have all the proofs which I will attach here in this video. You will see it on your screen. And also I will read from my iPad all the story, so I won't miss any details. Let's start. As you may know or not, I'm an artist. I'm making art, digital art, traditional art, mostly illustrations, and I have my art Instagram. Links are always down below and you can go subscribe and support me, where I upload all my works. I also have like a small shop where I sell accessories I'm doing by my hands. And this story happened with my art Instagram. 1 or 2 days ago I got the message. It was a commentary on my recent post. I can show you this post. Here I upload my work from the reel I did before, and I got the commentary which are saying, "Hello, are you available for commission?" Of course I answered yes, because I'm accepting orders and I will be happy to work with anyone and do an illustration for this person. Firstly, I went to check the person's profile, because you know, people just texting you to fool you, to scam you, as it happened to me in this story. But mostly they just telling you about upgrading like your account and they will bring you followers and all this stuff. So I went to check this profile. It was a profile with 20 followers and this person was following 300 accounts and had 3 photos. One with nature, one with a dog, and another one with a woman or something from TikTok. So I saw that I'm talking with this woman. So this person texted me, "Hello, amazing, I would like you to draw a picture of my son's pet for him. Went through your page and I think I just fell in love with your artwork. I want you to draw a picture of his pet, which will have his name written below, willing to pay you." It seems like a normal message, right? Like a person who wants to order an art for her son, nothing really weird. Firstly, I understood that this person decided to choose me because I have some art with dogs. You can see it on my art Instagram profile. Of course, I was like, whoa, someone decided to choose me, because my art Instagram, it's not so popular. It's really hard for artists to be popular on Instagram right now. Like, I answered to the person, "Hello, I will be happy to work with you. As I understood, you want a digital art, right?" And the person didn't answer, just sent me 6 photos of the dog. It seems like a normal dog, the same one every time, so nothing really weird. And I decided that I need to tell the person my rules, how I work with people, with orders. And then I asked, "Are you agree with that?" And the person texted me, "Yes, but how much will the amount for the all payment, because I'm making upfront payment." It was surprising for me, because I even haven't started talking about price. I even wanted to say that firstly you need to pay 50% of the cost, and when you will receive your art, you will like it, you will pay the last half. And I said like it will cost $15 or euros if it's okay for you. I saw that it's really high, maybe because she didn't reply for like really long time. Then in the evening, this person answered to me, "Kindly send me your PayPal email so I can proceed with the payment process." It was kind of weird. I don't use PayPal. The person said only through PayPal. So I sent my email and the person asked for my full name to process the payment. I read on the internet that you just need an email, not usually a full name, but I was like, okay, just full name. So I sent my full name and the person asked, "How much are you charging for the 6 digital art?" and said like 400. Of course, when I heard 400, I was like, whoa, that's a lot. And if the person thinks that my art costs so much, I will be happy to receive this money. I said that will be nice. Decided to clarify some things and said like, "So you want 6 digital arts based on the photos you sent to me, right?" This person said yeah, and I said, "Okay, do you have any time limits?" I want you to take your time to get it done. I said, okay. I was surprised how person answered because, you know, when the person paying so much money, I was thinking that it will take like less time, like 3 days or something for 6 digital arts. But no, and I was so surprised with that. So the person sent me like a screenshot that she sent me money. Everything looks real. And then starts the thing which firstly made me feel nervous. I just sent you the payment. Have you received the confirmation email from PayPal? The money has been deducted from my account. Kindly check your PayPal email address. Check your spam folder too. Last email I received from PayPal got held in my spam folder and I couldn't see it earlier. So check your spam folder too. Ok? And send me like even the screenshot of spam folder. You must have received the payment email first from PayPal. Did you check all the folders of your email address also? It sometimes goes to a different folder depending. English, it's weird here. I thought it's kind of weird the person asking too much. And I'm like, yeah, okay. Maybe this person doesn't want this money to go anywhere. And I got this email in my spam folder. I need to ask this person to send me again $100 to upgrade my account to business account because like my account is usual and has money limits, and then I would return this money back. I don't know PayPal, I didn't work with it. I sent this message to the customer and she said, I got a similar notification from PayPal also that the money can't be credited into your account at this time because your account has a limit. They mentioned that I have to send an additional $100 to upgrade your account limit to business account. When I got this mail, my first thought was like, maybe I can ask my relatives or someone to send me this $100 because I don't want to ask the customer to send more. But I was like, okay, let's try. Is it okay for you to send it and I will send it back? And she said like, I will have to send an additional $100 to your account for it to be upgraded. Mate, are you promising me that you will refund me back once I send this to upgrade? I said, of course, I'm promising. I don't need money, which I didn't work for. She sent me a screenshot. She sent it. I just sent you additional 100. I believe you have been notified. I got the email that now I need to return her back my money from my own cards, like my own money. How the PayPal will understand that I return this money to this person if it will be another bank and another card. And the person said, you will have to make the refund of the payment first from your own money and send receipt to me, so I can't send it from PayPal. Now it seems logical, right? You will send this to the PayPal and all this stuff, but something weird here. Don't you think so? If you make the refund now and send to PayPal mail, they are going to approve the pending payment to be credited into your account immediately. Did you have your debit card with you? If so, cool. I will send you a link to buy an online gift card. You will use your debit card to purchase it online. The e-code will be delivered to your email within a few minutes. The money won't be appears until you have made the refunds of the payment from your own money. As you can understand from here, she knows so much about it. And it actually made me think a lot, like, how does she know? I asked her, so as I understand right, I need to pay for my another card, not PayPal. Yeah, I will send you a link to purchase the card, and all you need to do is to purchase the gift card with your debit card or credit card. And the link. Of course, I didn't open the link. Guys, never open the link. Whoever is sending you the link, never open it. I think it's just the first rule to survive on the internet. How my another card connects with PayPal? They won't receive information. Can you just listen to me and follow the instructions? Just click on the link I sent to you and purchase the 100. After you purchase the card, all you need is to send a screenshot of the e-code to the PayPal email. Your account will be credited with the 500. When this person said to me, can you just listen to me and follow the instructions? Who this person is? Like, to know everything about PayPal, how does it work? Does this person work in PayPal or what? So I said to this person, this sounds really weird. Are you trying to fool me? Are you okay? I can text PayPal service for help. I don't really have time for fooling people. You can see I have been deducted with the whole 500 already. You can contact them by replying directly to the mail you received earlier, so fast respond. As you can understand here, it seems really natural. Like the person like, yeah, I sent money to you and you can reply to this email you received from PayPal. But I was like, it sounds weird that you got email from PayPal to your spam folder. I was like, I will ask them on their app. on the official place where I can really believe that I'm talking with a PayPal employee. So I sent the message to the PayPal service. Did you text them through the email you received earlier? Why this person is so caring about this email? Maybe because she will see my response to this email. Maybe she sent this email. So I said I texted them in the app. Why would you do that? And this is, guys, the end of all this scam. I understood everything. I said, why not? App is the official way to contact them. She seen my messages. I didn't say anything till now. She was really caring about her money, but now she just doesn't care after I said that I will text official agent from PayPal in their app. How does it work? I texted the PayPal and information I received was really interesting. They actually responded to me really fast. Thank you for them. Their support service is great. I advise you, if you have any problems, to text them. First of all, my account was registered in the country where you can't receive any money. That's funny, right? Now I'm in another country, but I didn't change the country. So, and another thing, she said that nobody was trying to transfer you money, and we don't have business account. So you can't upgrade your account how it was said in email. From here, I clearly understand that someone was trying just to fool me. And this person was doing it really well. So I was disappointed because I was trying to trust this person, to rely on this person. But imagine if I sent this $100. I think they would get my old data from my cards and just steal all my money, not $100. Imagine they choose the profiles which are not so popular on the internet. Maybe also popular ones, I don't know. Especially shops or artists, as it happened to me. And text you that they want to buy something from you. And you trust them, you think that it's your potential client. They give you a huge amount of money for your work. And you, of course, happy. Because of this emotion, you don't think logically. I will need to return back this $100, but I will receive $500. So like, who cares? Or like $400. I'm really happy that I didn't make this mistake. I went to my computer, Googled the scams plans with PayPal system, and I found this way. There are a lot of actual ways to steal money with PayPal. You should be really aware of who you're talking with. And I'm begging you to share this video with your friends, with your family, maybe not only shop owners or artists. If something going weird, don't be afraid to text service help. And not the service help this person advised to you. You should ask the official one. Go to their official website, if it's like PayPal or app or something like that. Don't trust people on the internet. People are losing their humanity, they just want to steal money from you. I'm a student, I don't have a lot of money, I didn't even have $100 to send. I couldn't even do that. I told this story to my friends and they said like, yeah, if I was you, I would send this money. That's why I decided to film this video and to share this story with you. I was disappointed not only in people, but also that I firstly was so happy that someone is really interested in my art and want to order something from me, so it was really upsetting. So guys, as a lesson from this story and video, I can just ask you to be really wise and careful on the internet. If someone is going to pay you money or you're going to pay this person money, check as much as you can. I hope this story will be useful for you. Thank you for your watching. See you in another video. See you later, alligator.